Hey y'all, in today's video I'm going to be fixing this problem over here. I just have way too many scraps that are not organized and I can't get to them even if I wanted to use them. So I'm going to be building a bin system where they can slide in this way and some that can sit up this way. And whatever doesn't fit, I will be throwing away. Alright, so this is our basic plan right here. Just some different shelves for some wood. And that is our giant cut list. And I'm about to start getting cutting. I'm about to start cutting. But before I get cutting, I'm gonna move this shit fight of wood out of the way. And you might be asking yourself, why do you want to keep all of this shit? And that's a good question. The real answer is that I've been living paycheck to paycheck for the last decade, until about a year ago, so I have to save everything just in case I might need it. Life has been good to me lately, so I guess it's time to get rid of some stuff. You know I still have to save the casters though. The thing about scraps is most of the time they will be useful eventually, kind of like how this whole shelf is going to be made out of offcuts of plywood I saved. Alright, so it's really hot and humid out today, and I worked outside all week, so I'm going to try to mark out everything, get it ready, and then take it outside and cut everything at once. Alright, I got everything all marked out. Time to get them cut. Making these videos over the last couple of months has given me a lot of insight into the content that I enjoy and how difficult it is to make. Setting up the shots by myself is hard, and sometimes I mess them up, like being in the way of what I'm doing and just filming my back. I also can't really redo shots because usually I'm cutting wood or drilling holes, so it's impossible to redo it. Alright, I got my boards cut out. Now to assemble them. I don't really have a plan on how to assemble these, so I'm just gonna wing it. What I ended up doing was marking out the lines on the side of my shelves and using a countersink drill bit to drill some holes along the lines. Next I drilled some holes in the center of the shelves so that I could attach the support pieces. Alright, so I messed these up. These are supposed to be 21 inches and I cut them at 16 inches. So they're not going to go all the way, but that is totally fine actually, because this is just going to hold in the middle support, but it'll be support on both sides. So, I mean, it doesn't need to go all the way back. So it's not going to. So now I'm going to try to figure out how to assemble these. Probably a long clamp. Alright guys, so I messed up and I have to fix my mistake. I put in a 12-inch tall piece when I was supposed to be a 9-inch tall piece, so I'm just getting rid of the 12-inch piece, putting in the 9-inch piece. Yay! Alright, now it's time to attach the side pieces to the shelves. And let's see how this goes. First attempt, not good. Let's try this handle like a clamp. Nope. Second attempt, not good. Third attempt using chicken wing. There we go. Third time's a charm. And once again, I'm filming where you cannot see what I'm doing at all. So that is very nice for the viewer. As I'm currently viewing this, I can tell you. Very great for the viewing experience to not be able to tell what is going on. Oh, looks like he's putting in a screw. Oh, he put in a screw. Now time for the other side. We'll look up at the camera so we notice that we're not actually filming anything good, but we don't want to put the piece down and do this over again, so we're going to use our head as a clamp and put the screw in. And then we move the camera and we actually turn the camera on when we think we turn the camera off, so we just film our legs, and then when we go back and we think we turn the camera on, we actually just turn it off. And we totally missed the shot. But we get it done, and now it's time to test it out, and the first side fits. And the second side, does it fit? The second side fits. And we're good. Alright, we got it into place. Let's admire our work real quick. And then we're going to put this piece in here on the side so that the wood does not slide over into our planer over there. And then after that, we're going to put some pieces in the front, and we're totally going to miss that shot. Here it is, completely done because I missed the shots. And look at it, just look at it. There's our shelf and there's our bin to store our lumber. Alright guys, here's a little game for you. Who knows what I'm doing here? I'm doing a little thing. Looks like I got a little nail gun here. Putting in some strips. What am I doing? What's the purpose? Who knows? Let me know in the comments down below. Alright, I got it all done. Now it's time for me to do a little time lapse of putting all the wood away. So it turns out most of this wood was kind of crap, but I just kind of went through and organized it. Some of the pieces were going to get thrown away, some of them I'm going to save. Pickaxe. So a ton of this material has usable bits to it, but they have holes drilled in them and stuff, so I'm just going to cut off all the unusable nasty parts right now so that I have a bunch of good boards. And yeah, throw away the rest. So I got a lot of cutting to do. I'm going to put on some headphones. All right, I got it all organized, and the rest of this stuff is trash, so that I might hold on to, but try to stuff it in here. All right, so I'm all done. Well, there's always more to do, but I got this organized better than it was, and yeah, I can move on to the next project. I will clean up some more of this stuff in the future, but this is a lot better than how it was, so I'm pleased. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. I have more videos coming every week, so please subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Thanks for watching. Bye.